Maganda ba yung suka, anak? Yung suka masarap.
Pag nasa kanin, parang wala na lasa. Pero okay naman. Doon sa malasama sa kanin. Hindi ko kasi sa kanin.
What you're saying and doing right now is not reasonable. There's been so what you say is you know it's not reasonable. That doesn't make sense to me. And this is why I bring this position here, Susan, is because the decisions you make are not reasonable. You make just like what we're experiencing right now. I've had people sit in this chair that have done things and they get
Toyo.
out on their own accord.
Sausawan ko lang dito ay toyo. Seasoning. Ito yung favorite ko. Favorite ko to eh.
We're going to go to the jail. There's no changing this. There's no stopping it.
Ganito. Konting ganon. Tapos,
We're going to
kanin.
the jail. We'd rather you walk on your own. We'd rather you just walk down there. It's so much better for everybody.
Buhay na tayo. Kontento na ako sa ganito.
Like I said, the medical staff over there, we
Sarap.
won't be able to get you over there. Where can we get you over there quicker? Someone over there that's in medical can see you. Susan, this is what's going to happen. We're going to put you in the accounts, and if we have to,
Diba?
forcefully bring you out there.
Tapos ganito. Bawal sa akin ng may bagoong, pero sana kung katulad pa rin ng dati. Kaya ngayon, ganito na lang. Masarap din naman pag nasanay ka na. Kain tayo. Bye-bye! Magandang Sabado sa inyo.